G'day trendsetters, this will be the last 3-minute Monday for 2019. So Happy New Year and all the best for 2020. Just to finish the year off, I thought I might just try and have a little bit of fun with some microgreens, growing radish microgreens, just so I can cut the tops off and throw them in my salad. But I bought one of these planter troughs from the reject shop across the road. They only cost $5, but I'm only going to plant half of it, because that's probably more than enough for me. There's just one of you, you might plant a quarter, small family 2/3, large family plant the whole box out. But basically so far all I've done is fill the planter with a premium quality potting mix, firmed it down, tapped it down a bit, give it a good water because the potting mix was a bit dry, so I've watered it. And I've also added my seeds into this little glass jar. All I've done is bought some radish seeds. These are a little cherry bell. Doesn't matter what radish seed you buy or use. Fresh is best, obviously, because they'll germinate quicker and faster. That's about it. Again, from the reject shop, $1.70 a packet or something like that. You can, and I will, buy larger quantities through Green Harvest, I think is the name of the company. They sell microgreen seeds. There's sunflower, cress, rocket, and on it goes. Broccoli, I think, is another good one, and you could use the same principle for all of this. So all I've got is a potting mix. Now, the thickness, again, doesn't really matter. There's 500 seeds in this packet, so I'm just going to sprinkle them on top over that half. I don't know if I'll use the whole, yeah, I think I'm going to. There we go, the whole 500 seeds in half. Again, all I'm going to do is just tamp them down. I just want to push the seeds into the top of the potting mix just to make a good contact with the potting mix. I'm going to cover them, but only just so you don't see them. Even if one's just poking through it a little bit, doesn't really matter. Just cover them over, tamp them down again. I did put a little black Nico pen mark here, so I knew where halfway was. Then the saucer part, I'll just sit on top like that with the board in there. That's it. I will water them and I'll place them over here. I've got a little bench in the spot here where it gets a fair bit of protection, but a lot of dappled light with a little bit of sunlight poking through every now and then. So that'll be good enough. We'll come back next week on the first 3-minute Monday for 2020, and I'll plant the second half and we'll be able to see the progress of the first half. Harvest should be anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks. I might just take a few little short clips through the week, because these will only take 2 days, maybe 3 days, and they'll be up, starting to sprout. I'll lift this off after they've started sprouting, and then they'll come away. So every second or third day I'll come out and do a little 10-second clip, and I'll show you the progress through the week next Monday. Nice, fun little project for the school holidays. Kids can enjoy, get quick results, immediate. You know, it's almost immediate. And hopefully inspirational for the kids, and they can go on a great gardening career. It is a great help to me if you would consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It all goes to helping me be able to make more videos like this, and also reaching my ultimate goal of being monetized with 1,000 subscribers. So once again, all the best, Happy New Year, and there might be a sneaky little video tomorrow, but otherwise I'll see you in the new year. Cheers, thanks for watching.